The gun on your hip right now might be the most expensive mistake you are still making. And nobody is going to tell you that, except for this video. Something shifted in concealed carry culture in 2025, and it did not make headlines. Experienced carriers, trained professionals, people who have carried every single day for years without questioning their platform started making moves, not because their gun broke, because everything around it got better and Glock never got the memo. Optics ready became the floor. Compensated carry guns moved from competition use to daily holsters. Triggers, bore axis, capacity, carry comfort, every category evolved. 7 guns. 7 reasons smart carriers stopped settling. Let us count them down. Number 7. HK CC9. HK built the carry gun they were never legally allowed to sell you before. That door just opened. For decades, every HK that reached American hands was compromised by import laws and sporting purpose clauses. The CC9 ends that completely. Designed and manufactured in Columbus, Georgia, it is the first HK pistol built ground up for the American concealed carry market with 0 restrictions and 0 compromises. 7 years. 750,000 rounds of testing, including 100,000 rounds of federal 147 grain plus ST NATO AC 225 standards passed. This is a carry gun tested like a duty pistol that happens to disappear at 0.99 inches wide. RMSC optics cut machined directly into the slide. Ambidextrous controls throughout. 2 back straps. 10 rounds flush. 12 extended in the box. A trigger that breaks at 5 pounds and feels nothing like what this price range usually delivers. HK over-engineered this gun the same way they over-engineer everything built for people whose lives depend on it. You feel that the first time you press the trigger. Caliber, 9mm. Capacity, 10+1 flush/12+1 extended. Barrel length, 3.32 inches. Weight, 18.4 ounces. Price range, $599 to $699. The verdict. HK finally built the carry gun they always should have been allowed to sell. 7 years in the making and worth every one of them. Number 6. FN Reflex XL MRD. FN saw a gap in the carry market that nobody else had the engineering confidence to fill. Then they filled it. The Reflex XL MRD runs an internal single-action hammer fired system inside a carry-sized frame. The result is a trigger between 4.5 and 5 pounds that is smooth, crisp, and consistent in a way that striker-fired guns at this price simply cannot match. Feel that difference once and you cannot go back. FN stretched the original Reflex just enough to change everything. 1/2 inch of additional cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel. Nearly a full inch of additional grip height, converting directly into 4 more rounds. 15 flush, 18 extended in the box. Width stays at 1.08 inches. 20 ounces. RMSC and HoloSun 507K optics cut from the factory. Tritium night sight standard. At $719, this is the only hammer-fired micro compact on the market. That is not a niche. That is a category FN owns alone. Caliber, 9mm. Capacity, 15+1 flush, 18+1 extended included. Barrel length, 3.8 inches. Weight, 20 ounces. Price range $699 to $719. The verdict. FN gave carry shooters the hammer trigger they stopped believing was possible at this size. Feel it once and the striker conversation is over. Number 5. Shadow Systems CR920XP. Shadow Systems decided that telling carry shooters to train harder was not an engineering solution, so they built one. The CR920XP ships, with a compensator engineered specifically for this barrel length, this gas volume, this exact pressure curve, not adapted from a larger platform, purpose-built. The patent-pending tri-lug system and tool-less locking lever mean removal in seconds with no tools. The muzzle during rapid fire does not just get managed, it nearly stops moving. The patented multi-footprint optics mounting separates optic screws from the fire control system entirely. Your zero holds when the gun is being worked hard because the connection between optic and chassis does not run through components that flex during firing. That matters at round 400 during a training day in ways most shooters discover too late. 15 rounds flush. Spiral fluted match grade barrel. 0 stoppages at the 2025 Arizona State IDA Championship. Master classification earned. Caliber 9mm. Capacity 15+1. Barrel length 3.65 inches. Weight 21.2 ounces. Price range $889 to $999. The verdict: factory compensation that mechanically solves the problem instead of asking the shooter to work around it. Nobody else of this size is doing this from the factory. Number 4. CZ P09 Nocturne Compact DA/S. Carriers have wanted one thing for years. CZ just delivered it and removed the last argument against carrying one. The entire case against DA carry guns collapsed into one complaint: not optics ready. The P09 Nocturne Compact changes that. RMSC and HoloSun K footprint cut directly into the slide. No plates, no hardware. Factory sights tall enough for immediate co-witness. Alongside it, CZ fixed deeper slide serrations, revised grip texture, and repositioned controls all at once. The Omega trigger still lets you choose between decocker and manual safety. Second strike capability remains. Cold hammer forged barrel with a lifetime warranty. Ships with 2 steel magazines, a real-world shooter 0 to red dot in minutes, and held 5 rounds in the 9 ring at 25 yards standing. Street price under $550. That is not a misprint. Caliber 9mm. Capacity 15+1. Barrel length 3.74 inches. Weight 26.1 ounces. Price range $500 to $550. The verdict: modern optics, DA/SA confidence, CZ ergonomics under $550. The most undervalued carry gun on this countdown, and it is not close. Number 3. Laugo Arms 2311 Compact. The 1911 trigger is the benchmark every carry gun gets measured against. Laugo Arms stopped measuring and just built it into a compact carry pistol. Single action trigger, 4 to 4.5 pound pull, short reset, crisp break. Striker-fired guns need expensive aftermarket work to approach this. The 2311 Compact ships with it from the factory. P320 pattern magazines run directly. 3 15-round Magpul AMAGs in the box. No proprietary $70 magazines. No sourcing problems. Any P320 pattern magazine works. 7075 aluminum frame. Fully ambidextrous. 4 optics plates covering RMR, Delta Point Pro, and MSC. Night Fusion tritium sight standard. Every pistol hand fitted and hand finished by gunsmiths before it ships. A carrier who moved from a Glock 19 put it simply: the first time a carry gun felt designed around the trigger instead of the other way around. Caliber 9mm. Capacity 15+1. Barrel length 4.25 inches. Weight 26.8 ounces. Price range $1,699 to $1,999. The verdict: a 1911 trigger and a carry compact running affordable P320 magazines. Laugo Arms solved a problem the industry said required a larger gun and a larger budget. Number 2. Laugo Arms Alien Remus. Laugo Arms asked a question nobody else bothered to ask. What if we put the bore below the hand instead of above it? Then they built the answer. Every production pistol places the bore axis above the shooter's grip. That gap is why muzzle rise exists. The wider the gap, the more leverage recoil has to rotate the muzzle upward. Every compensator and porting system ever built is fighting that geometry without removing it. Laugo Arms removed the geometry. The Alien Remus places the bore axis 1.7 millimeters below the grip axis. Gas-delayed blowback, fixed barrel, recoil impulse in direct line with the wrist. The muzzle does not flip because the mechanical condition that causes muzzle flip was engineered out. Not reduced, removed. 4-inch fixed barrel, 15 flush, 17 extended, both included. 29 ounces in aluminum and steel. Push to rack button on the non-reciprocating optic rail so you can rack the slide using the mounted optic. Optic plates for RMRCC, Shield RMS, and Aimpoint ACRO included. Modular creator grip adjustable with a single screw. At SHOT Show 2025, every shooter who fired it said the same thing. It does not feel like a 9mm. That is physics working exactly as Laugo designed. Caliber, 9mm. Capacity, 15+1 flush, 17+1 extended included. Barrel length, 4 inches. Weight, 29 ounces. Price range, $4,500 to $6,200. The verdict. No other carry pistol on Earth offers this bore axis geometry. Nothing else does what this gun does mechanically. Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P Carry Comp Metal. Smith & Wesson did not rush a compensated carry gun to market. They waited, engineered it properly, and delivered it for $799. The power port system ports the barrel and slides at 12 o'clock. Gas vents upward at peak pressure the moment the bullet exits. Muzzle rise counteracted at the source. The clear sight cut channels those gases away from the mounted optic so the dot stays clean during extended fire. Both systems together produce flat shooting characteristics that required custom shop work 2 years ago. The aluminum frame changes this platform in ways polymers cannot replicate. Mass distributes differently. Recoil absorbs differently. Shooters feel it immediately without being able to name it until someone explains the frame. Performance Center flat face trigger from the factory, 7 optics plates, 4 palm swell grip inserts, 2 15-round magazines, cleaning kit included. Carriers who made this move described it consistently. A factory gun that felt like someone had already set it up personally before it shipped. At $799, there is no excuse left to delay. Caliber, 9mm. Capacity, 15+1 barrel length, 4.22 inches ported. Weight, 25.4 ounces. Price range, $749 to $799. The verdict. Compensated metal framed, optics ready, Performance Center tuned at $799. Smith & Wesson built what serious carriers have been asking for and made it impossible to justify waiting. Glock is still reliable. In 2026, reliability is no longer enough to end the conversation. 7 manufacturers answered the question Glock stopped asking. The carry world moved. The engineering moved. The price points moved. What required a custom shop 2 years ago ships in a box today. Which one of these would you carry for the rest of your life and why? Drop it in the comments. If this changes how you see your carry setup, subscribe. More is coming.